Hello, and welcome to our training series on Quality Assurance in Textile and Garments Manufacturing. In today's video, we will talk about Module 16, Benefits of a Strong Quality Assurance System. In this video, you will learn what is a strong QA system, key benefits of a strong QA system, factory scenario, quality is equal to cost saving, key QA KPIs, how QA builds buyer trust, real-life brand example, why QA matters. What is a strong QA system? A strong QA system is more than just doing a final inspection. It includes quality checks at every stage, from raw material to final packaging, trained staff who follow standard operating procedures, proper documentation and inspection reporting, corrective and preventive action processes, also known as CAPA, and importantly, strong communication across departments. This creates a consistent system where quality is built into the process, not inspected in at the end. Key benefits of a strong QA system. A well-established QA system provides multiple advantages. Fewer defects, by identifying problems early. Right first-time production, reducing rework and wastage. Buyer confidence, consistent quality builds trust. Cost savings, fewer rejections and compensation claims. Audit readiness, ensures you are prepared for any buyer or certification audit. Team accountability, everyone knows their role in maintaining quality. Improved reputation, consistent quality boosts your brand image. These are not just operational benefits, they directly impact business growth. Factory scenario cost saving through QA. Let's look at a real factory example. Before strengthening QA, the factory had an 18% rejection rate and frequent buyer complaints. After implementing SOPs and training the QA team, the defect rate dropped to just 5%. This led to improved buyer satisfaction, and repeat orders nearly doubled. This shows how investing in QA directly improves financial performance and customer relationships. Quality is equal to cost saving. Quality assurance is not just a cost, it's a way to save cost. Without QA, rework consumes time, labor, and materials. Rejected shipments result in revenue loss. Buyer complaints can lead to penalties or cancelled orders. With a strong QA system, defects are reduced. Deliveries are on time. Factory efficiency increases, and you gain stronger bargaining power with buyers. Key QA KPIs. To monitor the effectiveness of your QA system, here are the KPIs to track. Final inspection pass rate shows how often products meet standards without rework. Rework ratio indicates production inefficiency. First-time pass rate reflects the quality of initial production. Inline defects per 100 pieces helps catch issues early in the process. Audit score measures how well your factory performs during buyer or ISO audits. These indicators help drive improvement and accountability. How QA builds buyer trust. A strong QA system shows your commitment to consistency and transparency. When buyers see documented QA processes and inspection reports, they feel more confident sourcing from your factory. They are more likely to place long-term and higher-value orders. QA builds not just product quality, but also business relationships. Real-life brand example, why QA matters. Here's a case from a well-known global sportswear brand. A full shipment was rejected due to inconsistent fabric color. The root cause was traced back to a missing SOP and lack of material approval. The factory responded by implementing a proper QA framework. Within 6 months, the brand resumed orders. This example shows how one weak link in the QA chain can damage relationships, but also how corrective action can rebuild trust. Quick summary, Module 16. A strong QA system is not just about inspections, it builds a stronger business. Helps reduce costs, defects, and customer complaints. Increases efficiency and buyer trust. Key to scaling your factory for larger, more valuable orders. Thank you for joining this training session. We hope you learned something valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. See you in Module 17, Common QA Challenges and How to Overcome Them.